Yo, so if you're here, it means the answer you selected is incorrect. Please watch the full video and listen for the word that will allow you to continue. Now, if you did get it incorrect, no worries. We are going to go over it. And I'm going to talk you through why the other answers were incorrect and the correct answer was correct. So, question 4 says, what piece of evidence supports the point made on pages 158 to 159 that although better for the environment overall, industrial organic food still uses many fossil fuels, which have a negative impact on the environment? So, this person is saying that fossil fuels are used in industrial organic foods. They don't use pesticides and chemicals in that way, but they do still use fossil fuels. A says soils of industrial farms are often lifeless because the pesticide use strips them of a compound. This sounds super technical, but it does not have to do with the use of fossil fuels. So that is not going to be your answer. B says most of the fossil fuels used in the food industry are for processing and transporting food rather than growing it. So, okay, it does mention fossil fuels and how it's used. C says industrial organic farming uses fewer substantial practices like renewable energy than any food system. So, this is talking about the concept of renewable energy, but our main point was talking about the use of fossil fuels and how it is done. So, C is not going to be our answer. That should have been your 50-50 though. And so, your correct answer here is B. And the secret word here is going to be omnivores. Select omnivores for in order for you to move on to the next section. Have a wonderful day, y'all.